Hi everyone, you are warmly welcome for today's video. So as we have planned to go on a trip, we came to the clothing store to take some clothes that we needed. So guys, come with me, let's have a look around the shop. So today we are going to the beautiful city Hatton. So guys, come with me. So after a very long journey, we came to the place we are staying. To be honest, it's a very beautiful place that I ever have been to. My goodness, we feel like we came to a fairyland. There's such a beauty. So this is a cabbage hill we saw there. Not only cabbage, there were more. But so sad, I haven't videoed them. So here comes the day 2. Oh, by the way, good morning guys. And guys, this is the morning view, and now it's 8:30 in the morning. So let's see what gonna happen today. So come on guys. So today I'll take you all to a tea factory and show the process happening there. Not only that, I'll take you to an animal farm too. So there was both cows and cattle. So let's see. So right after we took our breakfast, we directly went to the tea factory. So finally we came to the tea factory. So we'll see what's happening inside. Come with me. And as I got to know, as some water in the tea leaves have been taken out, it can be rolled like this. And for rolling, they use the machine right here. So friends, this is called as the fermentation process. So during this process, they are making the tea leaves according to the need of the buyer. So as we go to know, even there is like 20% of water in there. So and after the before process, we came to see how the black tea comes. So in here, we can see some fibers. Hope you can too see it. And in here it still contains like 2 to 3% of water. And as they have said, it's normal to contain like 2 to 3% of water in there. And do you know what's this? This is called as the hot water generator or the hot water boiler. And from this machine in the tea factory, they are separating fibers from tea, and this is called as store clean select machine. And afterwards, according to the size of the tea particles, they categorize it. So my dear friends, from such a very long process only, we are able to drink a very tasty cup of tea. Uncle Saman, thanks a lot for giving us this opportunity to see the entire process of making tea. So normally this is the way of testing different types of tea at once. I took a slight effort to test tea like this, but I failed. So now we are on the way to the farm. So now we are visiting to a farm. Hurry up, let's go inside. So these calves gives 40 liters of milk per day. Due to their capacity is high, they have a special meal planned for the entire day. These ones gives 3 liters of milk only. And next we came to see these cute kettles. And still they drink milk to a small bucket. So let's go inside. After we took a shower, we decided to go to the hotel we are staying tonight and eat Serenmo Eco Resort. And in there, the rooms were very clean and nice. So by the way, it's so tired guys. See you all in the morning. Good night. Hi guys. So good morning. And this is our first day in the Serenmo Eco Resort. And this is the morning wave in there. So not only one waterfall, as I can remember, I saw like 2 to 3 waterfalls in there. So next I learned how to play the game pool with my friends, and we swam, and also we didn't forget to have a small chat too. So my dear friends, thanks a lot for watching today's video. If you got something to your life, do subscribe. Bye.